All right, I'm in my 2023 F250 with the 7.3 liter Godzilla engine. This truck has the Ford Performance exhaust on it, and I was going to let you hear some interior cabin noise for this first couple of seconds here. I was just going to give you just normal driving. I'm on a private closed road, so please don't try this on public roads. But I'll give you a little bit there of just regular speeds. On that gauge, you can see at the top my RPM. Underneath that is the ECU horsepower, and under that is the ECU torque. And then on the left, the white line is my input on the pedal, and the red line is the Banks Pedal Monster output to the throttle itself. So I'm in city mode level 5. You can kind of hear that exhaust though, just those little ups and downs, and I'll give you a little bit more here in just a minute. All right, I'm going to let it slow down just a little bit, and then I will punch the throttle so you can hear it. You'll see those two lines go almost all the way to the top there. So that was right around full throttle just for a few seconds there. Like I mentioned, that's on a closed private road. This is my 23 F250 with the 7.3 Godzilla, Ford Performance exhaust, some interior cabin noise for you. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.